than swim. They live mostly in water, but lay their eggs in the sand on the beach. Sea turtles have lived since the time of dinosaurs. Quiz time! Let's check if you remember the ocean life. Listen carefully and try to answer the question. Where is whale? Whale. You are right! Let's guess what ocean life it is. Listen carefully and try to answer the question. Which ocean life communicates with each other by making sounds?
Dolphin.